Biboong.
Aku hanya memikirkan satu peraturan penting. Kenapa kau lakukan hari ini kalau kau bisa melakukannya besok?
Few moments later.
Hi, Pete.
Hi.
What are you reading now?
I'm reading this interesting book. The story is written by my favorite author.
Oh, I see. I watched that movie last night. It was so good.
Really? The novel was adapted into a movie last month. The director did a great job.
Yes, that climate is always exciting for me.
I agree. The ending was a bit different from the book, though.